Want to start using Claude AI? Creating a Claude account only takes a few minutes and gives you access to powerful AI features for writing, coding, brainstorming, research, and much more. In this tutorial, I'll show you how to create a Claude AI account in 2026. So let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the official Claude AI website. From the homepage, click Sign Up or Get Started. Make sure you're using the official website to keep your account secure. Next, enter your email address or choose another available sign-up method if it's offered. Then follow the prompts to continue creating your account. You'll need access to your email or selected sign-in method to complete the process. Claude may ask you to verify your email address or confirm your identity before your account is activated. Follow the verification instructions that appear on your screen. Verification helps protect your account and improve security. After verification, finish any remaining setup steps, such as confirming your name, preferences, or other account details if requested. Take a moment to review your information before continuing. Once your account is ready, you'll be taken to the main Claude interface where you can start new conversations, upload files, and explore available features. You can always return later to update your account settings. Click New Chat, type your first prompt, and begin exploring everything Claude AI can help you accomplish. So you've successfully created your Claude AI account, and that's how to create a Claude AI account. Once you're signed up, you'll be ready to use Claude for writing, coding, document analysis, brainstorming, learning, and much more. The more you experiment with different prompts, the more useful Claude becomes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.